resolving power of microscope can be increased by. So resolving power formula is Rp is equal to 0.61 lambda by Na. Na is a numerical aperture which can be further resolved by formula n eta into sine alpha, and sine alpha is basically forming this value. This is for example diameter of objective lens, and this value is alpha. So means resolving power can be increased by decreasing the value of Na, and decreasing of Na means alpha should be decreased, and alpha can be decreased only when diameter. So if you are going to increase the diameter, then it will be increase the alpha value. Moving to the next question, polypeptide with identical molecular weight can be separated by isoelectric focusing, because polypeptide which are having the same molecular weight will different pi value, but can be same molecular weight. So using electrophoresis we cannot find. So here we are using isoelectric focusing technique. Philadelphia chromosome is abnormal associated with the blood cancer. This is direct question. Which of the following is not used for the end modification of DNA? End modification means 5' and 3' changes. So T4 polynucleotide kinase, yeah, it is used because here we are going add phosphate. Kinase added phosphate. Alkaline phosphatase can remove phosphate. Terminal deoxynucleotide transferase will transfer the next base here by forming phosphodiester bond. T4 ligase is the only enzyme which is not used for the changing a terminal end, because DNA ligase role is to seal 5' and 3' end, which is not used. So answer will be T4. Which are the correct order of event? So here leptotin, zygotin, pachytin, diplotin. This is the correct event because leptotin, zygotin, pachytin, diplotin, and dikinesis. This is of prophase 1 of meiosis 1. Moving to next question. Which of the following enzyme is activated by cyclic AMP passing through the hormonal signal? Cyclic AMP always activate protein kinase A type. So answer will be A. Precipitin is formed by antigen antibody interaction, aggregation of antigen antibody reaction. Tunicamycin is an inhibitor of peptidyl transferase, so it will involve in translation. O-type glycosylation take place at O-type glycosylation always take place at serine because it is having side chain OH, and threonine because it is having side chain OH, and tyrosine because it is also having OH. So here O-type glycosylation take place. Serine and threonine is going to be example. Asparagine and will involve in N-type glycosylation. Moving to next question. For character X, there exists 12 allele in a population of the rice field. How many allele of the same character would present in the diploid rice plant? So allele is haploid form. So there should be in diploid organism, it should be in form of gene. So 6 plus 6, this is going to form of 6 in total number, because gene is made up of 2 haploid or 2 allele. So total will be 6. Moving to next question. Which of the following part of plant would be most suitable for propagation of virus free? So virus for micropropagation. So virus free part of the plant will be always meristematic tissue, because it is rate of growth and division is fast here in meristematic tissue. Answer will be B. In plant transformation, the term tDNA is used for. It is a specific portion of Ti plasmid which is used for transformation using Agrobacterium tumefaciens, where a specific portion of DNA get inserted, that is known as DNA. So answer is tDNA is used for DNA segment of Ti plasmid which is transferred. So whole DNA, whole vector is Ti. The portion which get inserted into plant genome is known as tDNA. Which of the following method is used for sequence of human genome? It is a shotgun sequencing has used for human sequencing. Raman spectrum deals with the change in, so it basically utilizes vibrational state plus molecular rotational. So answer will be B. During synthesis of DNA by DNA polymerase, which of the following phosphate group is deoxynitride triphosphate is incorporated into DNA? So we know that NTP, this is base, CH2, there are 3 phosphate, this is alpha, beta and gamma. Here it is base. So during phosphodiester bond basically attack OH of another one. So this will attack over here. So it will remove beta and gamma and it will associate with the alpha. So alpha is that particular phosphate which is become the part of phosphodiester bond. So answer will be alpha. Beta and gamma will be released out. Next question, terminal electron acceptor in the electron transport chain, oxygen to form water. During carboxylation phase of Calvin cycle, CO2 combines with RUPP, ribulose 1,5-phosphate, to form 2 molecule of phosphoglyceric acid. In DNA molecule, the guanosine content is 40% adenine content. So guanine is 40, then it should combine with C, cytosine should be 40. Both are 80%. Combine both C and G concentration will be 80%. Now total 100 minus 80 will be 20%. This will be contributed by T as well as A, means 10% each. So adenine concentration will be 10%. The mRNA is complementary to the nucleotide sequence of which of the following DNA? It is a complementary of sense strand and it is a directly related to, identical with or similar to the coding strand, except in place of A it is U. In place of T it is U. So directly related to coding strand but complementary to sense strand. So answer will be C. Substitution of thymine base by adenine in DNA is known as. So if adenine, which is purine, is replaced by purine, guanine, like guanine, it is called transition. And if it is replaced by pyrimidine, which is T or C or U, then it is known as transversion. So answer will be transversion, because here thymine is replaced by adenine.